Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name's Brandon Broussard. I'm the main farmer here at Slim Dibbler Farms. Well, I guess it's just a farm, but now there's just one other plot and another property, which we're going to talk about later in this video. So, here we're just looking at my front yard, which the beginning of, I guess at the end of winter, I started converting into beds because I worked through the back. And now, I've been slacking on making videos, which is, this is something I kind of wanted to do. Just honestly for a documentation purpose for me. And so here is a video. Not really much informational value in this, because there's a lot out there on this subject. I'm not really adding to the conversation much, but, cardboard, well, tarp it for a while, or chickens. And then you, cardboard. Oh, here's some beans. And mulch the paths, stake it out, twine it out. Anyways, cool. Here's a time lapse of me putting these beds together. Thanks. So here's the finished product on the beds in the front. It got real hot, so I had to stop for the day and then finish them up in the morning. Also went ahead and landscape fabriced off the path to there and burned a hole for the water main. These zinnias are looking really nice. I think it's from Baker Creek. This is a property, well, an example of the first install I've ever done. At a place where I don't live. So this has been really cool. I tarped this off for a good long time with a black heavy tarp, not a silage tarp, but one of the big heavy duty ones from Harbor Freight. Did the job. And yeah, it's a little late in the season to be getting the garden going, but it'll be pumping really nice by fall. These kind of beds can be installed so quickly if the ground's prepped correctly. It's really nice.